those 5 hidden features that nobody wants you to know of, know about, discover. With that being said, this is Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial those 5 hidden features that we are bringing to light on a Mac computer in the year 2026. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Instagram. We can now start this tutorial. So now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Let's go to Instagram via a shortcut within bookmarks, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to the first hidden feature on IG that is very hard to locate, but you need to go into the application, whether it's on a mobile phone, tablet, or on the Mac. Go to settings, and here we will have QR code. Now this allows us to promote the business through IG. Once we print out that QR code and stick that onto the wall, at the workplace, in the kitchen, whoever comes and sees that code can take a photo of that, go directly to your account and follow your page. We can change the color if we want to. Let's just keep it the way it is. Download the QR code. Do you want to allow downloads on Instagram.com? Yes, we do allow. Here's the QR code. So we can now quit preview. Go back to our page. The second one, the second hidden feature that nobody wants you to know of is uploading content through the desktop. So we can click on create, post, select from computer, click on YouTube icon, upload, next, choose a filter, click on next, write a caption, hashtag, Computer Science Videos, we can add the location, collaborators, labels, schedule content, which is for another video. Then we can click on share. That is now being posted to our page directly from the Mac computer. Your post has been shared. Click on done. There we have it. That's the post. So now hidden feature number 3 is adding a highlight from the desktop. Click on new. Let's just choose a highlight name, which is test 2.0. Next. Let's now select a story. Test story via Facebook Creator Studio. Click on next. We can choose a cover if we need to. There we have it. Test 2.0. On screen. Hidden feature number 4 that nobody wants you to know of. Go to more. Switch appearance to dark mode. It's there for the taking. You just have to find it. You need to know where to navigate in order to access that feature. Let's go back to switch appearance. Turn off dark mode. And hidden feature number 5 is scheduling content to your account. You can schedule, let's just say 10 posts, and then day after day or week after week, they are made live themselves. So we can now go to more, go to schedule content, top right corner, schedule content, same protocol as uploading content, same photo, same filter, CSV, but we want to have schedule content selected. Schedule for next Saturday, 8 o'clock. Click on schedule. And this post itself is scheduling for that particular time to upload. We can view schedule content if we need to. And this will tell me everything that will be uploaded to the account. We can select that particular post. If we want to, we can have that deleted, but that's all for another tutorial. So we can click on save, Your changes were saved. Go back to profile. Quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.